Valentine's Day, you all! I have a Valentine's package from Ridiculously Rich by Alana to unbox. Ooh! These are Valentine's special cake boxes. This is the Valentine's special sharing dipping box. They look really nice! I can already tell this product is handmade. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 shortbread biscuits with vanilla icing and love heart rice paper topping. Oh, they have like cute little messages. You're sweet. I need you. You're a snack. Cutie pie. And oh no, bite me. This one's cracked. Poor thing. You're not presentable anymore, so I'll have to eat you. So it's very like shortbread berry and literally melts in my mouth. It's so good. Then we have 3 delicious looking dips: crushed mini eggs, salted caramel, and pink color white chocolate. Look at that color and real. They did say to microwave them first to make them more delicious. But how are you expecting me to resist this beautiful pink sauce? Oh my god, so yummy! Next, we have a beautiful pink slab of cake filled with milk and white chocolate chips. Let's try. So good. Y'all, this box is literally the perfect Valentine's treat, not gonna lie. Next box is limited edition Valentine's cake box. Dun dun! We have a flavor booklet and a little note. How cute! Ding, ding. These cakes look another level of amazing. We have 3 Cupid rice crepes, 3 roses and red blondies, and 3 berry cheesy brownies. Total 9 slices. They look lush. This box is like a one-way ticket to heapings of love and gratitude for the person you care about dearly. Oh, seeing these cakes make my mouth water. So I'm gonna go get a cup of tea and let's do a little taste test. Guys, I'm back. First, I'm gonna have the very cheesy brownie. Look at that! Chocolate, berry and cheese. So nice. Ridiculously rich for real. Lovely. Next, I'm gonna try the roses and red blondie. It's really soft and squishy. It's what you want with a blondie. You don't want it to be cakey, isn't it? Nice. Tastes like a buttery soft shortbread but gooey. amazing. Next one is Cupid Rice Crispy. Look at all those little hearts. So valentine-y. This is really nice and crispy. Listen to the sound. So delicious. So good. This is one of my best Valentine days ever. I must be totally honest. These are the best I've ever had them. These are on another level. Unreal. Thank you, Alana and the team. Have a nice time this Valentine.